Okay, so this is a new project. I just got it for the channel. It's not road legal at the moment. It's got a 110 engine in it, which is, yeah, it's no good. Need to tidy up. I need to sort all the wiring out because, as you can see, but we're going to video it and do a build series, somewhat. And yeah, go from there, get it road legal and then ride it. But it's so small, it's awesome. Okay, so we've got it in the table in the greenhouse because we can't use the shed because it doesn't fit. So I've just undone these two bolts, just undone the one. Whoa, she's hot. Safety first. Oh, it's hot. There we can see a prime example of somebody fitting some kind of shotgun exhaust and a stick welder. So now we should, oh great, it's 17, isn't it? Might be able to. Okay, we're back now with a fresh GoPro battery. The bike is on a stand and we are going to get some stuff done. This gun is just amazing. So we're taking the seat off, 2 bolts, one either side, and then it like slides backwards. It sits in here somewhere, somehow. Fuel tank, make sure heat is turned off. Yeah, it's like filled it pretty much up. Pull him off, and then he slides back. So let us know what you want us to do with this. Obviously I am going to, Jesus Christ, I'm wiring. Oh, there's your CDI cable tied on, lovely. So I'm going to be painting the frame. What colour do you think? I'm thinking of going with a purple frame, like a dark purple. I've got a brand new 110 4-speed automatic manual. So I'm going to be painting the frame, keeping the bars. I want to keep the tyres, but they're a bit shit. Got to adjust the brake because it's so far down. It needs to be like there, as opposed to there. And then we've got to sort all the electrics out. So, just getting... Oh my! The ends come off of it. Oh God. Oh dear. Let's have those cutters. Get the L plate off. Get the number board off. Right, get him off, curl him up and put him in that little thing over there. Right, so basically the plan with this, as I've sort of explained, is we're going to be painting it and doing like a little build series on it. What do you guys want to see? I will be uploading the video tonight, if my internet allows. I'll be uploading the video tonight, and well, leave suggestions, or let's say leave comments on what colour you think the frame should go and what colour I should do the tank and everything, and I'll read the comments tomorrow morning before I go and buy paint. So yeah, you got till tomorrow to decide. Otherwise I will be going purple. Maybe red frame. Maybe red frame with black tank and stuff. Red and gold looks nice. Maybe, what else do you reckon, Dara? Maybe a gold frame with red tank. Did I say that? No, I said the other way around.
Go blue.
Blue, well yeah, any colour. Just obviously it's indefinitely up to me because it's my bike, but if you've got suggestions that are cool.
Anything with gold.
It needs to go with the gold though. I like the gold. I like the gold bars. I've got gold clutch and everything, and yeah, I just like gold. So yeah. Okay, so I am actually also recording as of my benefit. I want to see how, ignore that, that was me. I want to see how all of this goes, because obviously it's got to go back. I think if I get a key barrel I could put it in there.
Yeah.
Right, don't undo that yet, we'll get this bit. Don't unplug anything because I need to see where it is. Good old Stanley. Never cut towards yourself, children. Always cut away from yourself, video disclaimer. God, it's a mess.
That was a bullet connector.
I'm guessing in this little wonderful package there's going to be another two wires for lighting and accessories. Also, spam the absolute hell out of the like button if you think Tom should get another monkey bike and ride with me, as opposed to a road legal pit bike. But either way, it's pretty cool. No. How many wires are coming out of the stator? Yeah, it's 5-pin stator. They're just doing nothing. So what the heck? Right, CDI off. Junk. What is that? I'm guessing that's the kill switch. I'm guessing it earths out the coil pack. Yeah. Coil pack. Obviously blue to blue. Black to red. Green to that. So yeah, if any of you are interested in buying this engine, which runs, rides, could do with an oil change, it's got the capability for electronics. Oh, of course. That's the thing didn't come out. Right, I'm just going to undo the carb. Oh no, got it right there. Hold on. Nah, because it's just killing it. So, how long would you guys be, really? How long would you guys be interested in actually watching these videos for? Like, with a sort of like timeline sort of thing, like how long would you like these videos to be? Like, would you like them to be sort of like 10 minutes or half an hour? Maybe even more. Don't piss the fuel out, hold him up like that, we'll tip him out in a minute. Genuine Mikuni carb, nice. So yeah, how long would you guys like these videos for? Obviously the first one is going to be as long as it's going to be, because obviously I don't know how long it's going to be, but if I know sort of how long you guys would be interested to sit there and watch this for, we could do something about it. It doesn't look like it's got any fuel. Oh, there we go. The drain's just blocked. Come on. Don't do this to the environment, it's bad. Come on. Looks like there's two-stroke in this fuel. Come on. Just got it from BP, so. What? 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 What?
Looking at the guy's job.
Oh yeah, it's one. Oh my god. Wonderful. Well, that's interesting. We'll leave that. Right. Let's turn the camera off and everything. Right. Front brake off. Front brake could do with being bled as well. That'll snap that else. Make sure we copper slip everything when we put them back together. I was going to say find someone to jam in the brakes, but it doesn't really matter. We got this, we'll test in a minute, see if he works. Otherwise we'll have to order a new one. Let's put that in the bag of box. Ooh, the wheel's quite buckled. That, and he does like 20 miles an hour. Right. Grip removal. Bin. Snap-on screwdriver. Should be in a box. Clutch lever. Don't let it mug you off. Nearly went through the window, didn't it? These controls remind me a lot of the C90. Feed the harness through there. How the hell has he got that all under through that?
Because he's taped it together.
Oh, wonderful. Make sure we know how that comes off. Hold on. Right, no, don't worry. Right, red goes into blue and black goes into green. Oh, the bike's completely wireless. Now, don't worry about that. Doesn't need a seal. Right. Loosen the axle off. Shout out to Co-op. This stuff is fucking amazing. This stuff is amazing. Can't swear anymore, guys. Second take that was. Because they're trying to demonetize me. That weighs a ton, feel that. Just loosen that off. No, leave it in.
It's supposed to be in, it's supposed to be galvanised.
Come on, chain. Maybe we should start it to get the chain off. Alright, let's have the sort of shot back. Whoa! Fire! It's the smallest chain I think I've ever seen. Right. Just back him off a bit. Undo that. That is so low. Don't know if you guys can see that. That's shaking my greenhouse. There's no wheel spacer on that side. Where's the spacer gone off this side? Still in the wheel. Let's put the axle in. Tension R. One rear wheel. That's tight. If we take this, always whenever you're doing anything, just put stuff back, and you know how it's come apart and you don't lose anything. Right, what are you trying to do? What are you looking for? What size? No, what's the other side?
18.
18? That's weird. Shouldn't need to. This should just do it. Oh. So. Also, if any of you got any cool recommendations on parts, who put a hole in that? Like, seriously. Yeah, if any of you got recommendations for parts, please let me know. In particularly a Speedo. Right. So, I don't know where they got this idea from. Cool, that's quite strong, you know. A bit scared of that. He should be coming off, so I've taken the pin out. I think we'll need to try and get this out. I hate springs. Oh, it's just going to bend. Why won't that come out? There we go. Right, hold the bike. Stop it from... God, this, oh, it's really hard not swearing, you know. But leave it, we'll get it off when... we'll get it off when the engine's out. Engine's going to be last job. Right, what are those? We'll do the forks. What size is that? 21?
It's got to come off as well.
Yay.
You undo them or undo them? Oh yeah, you undo these.
Yeah. What size is that?
That's 6.
No, it's bigger than 6. It's an 8 surely. Yeah. Turn them the other way. Oh.
Nice and tight.
No, this one's a little bit more tight.
I'm spinning.
It's nut spinning, yeah. Right. Are they 17s? Look at that. Put that back on. I hope this footage is coming out alright. Genuine Renthal handlebars. Steering rack column, like, what's it like? No play in it. She should be alright. It's a big adjustable.
It's starting to get a little flat spot.
Great, the big adjustable is not in here.
It's in the car.
Wonderful. She wasn't that bad. Got a feeling that the castle nut underneath it's going to be an absolute pig. Whoa!
He's done it good, it shouldn't be.
Hold on. We'll polish all the stanchions up. Where's the big nut? Yeah. This one. No, give him a little wacky whack first. Yay. She moving? There goes my finger. Cheers, bike. Oh, it's going to be individual ball bearings, isn't it?
Yep.
Mm.
Get ready for them to fall out.
Hold them up for me. Right, there's 2 in there. Don't let it drop yet.
You are missing a few.
Yeah, there's 2 in there. Don't let it drop. Let me get something to put it in. What was in that?
Don't think anything.
Oh, don't let it drop. No, keep it in, because we're just losing shit now. Which come out of where? Did they come out the bottom or the top?
Come out the top, yeah.
Right, where's the other one gone? There. Hold on. Right, hold on, let me get that one off there. Is there any more on there?
Yeah.
Is that all of them off the fork, yeah?
There's a bunch in there.
Right, hold on. Where's the... Let's have that cloth quickly. So right, so those are in there. There's no Sharpie in there. Brilliant. Alright, I put a B on this bottle for bottom, alright?
Yeah.
Is that all of them? So that's a tip for you guys. Keep the top and the bottom in separate containers, because they've obviously worn themselves in to the seating. Let's have those top thing, whatever it's called. Great, that won't go on there. So I just got the back rail off. Didn't realise I wasn't recording. Whatever the hell those are. Oh, I think they're literally just clips.
Back here.
Right, falls through. Gonna break the mudguard. You've got captive nuts in there.
And you put nuts on.
For whatever reason, yeah. Maybe they kept coming loose or something. Come on. Wow. Rear mudguard. Yeah, but he's not coming off, is he? Not easily. Hold on. That's why. Some idiot left the split pin in there. I wonder who that was.
Swing arm.
No, leave him on there and...
Again.
Yeah. Size is he? 14? No, 17. Where's the 17 there? 13. Wonderful. Whee! Oh no, they are bearings, they're just done up really damn tight. What fell off?
Maybe put a washer inside them to make it tighter.
Let's leave the silver one over there. Now, what have we got? The engine.
Yep.
So it's got to be a 17, isn't it? Nice to know the engine mounts are tight. Another 17. Got a feeling this one isn't an engine bolt, I think it's just a bolt.
Should be an engine bolt.
So, big adjustable. Pull the engine up a little bit, like wiggle the front, or wiggle the frame or whatever. Let's get the top. So, see, just a bolt. Wonderful. Breather's seen better days. Well, there you have it, folks. Complete strip down of a monkey bike. So, plans. What colour frame? What colour tank? Tank's easy to do, so it doesn't need to be important. Frame, we need to know what colour. So let us know tonight in the comments what you want, and we'll try and do our best tomorrow. And leave it at that. I'm going to be doing it again tomorrow. So leave a like if you want Tom to get another monkey bike. Comment what your thoughts are, and subscribe if you want more content. Thanks for watching.